In a previous section, I told you when you want to promote an affiliate offer, you go to 𝐒𝐿𝐥𝐻 to see the products that are launching. You check the JV page to get as much information as you can about the product so you can understand the offer. Most sales pages also. It's also advisable to preview that sales page so you get ample information to use in preparing your email to promote that product. You know the launch stage is where the vendors do everything they can to try to sell the product to visitors that come to the sales page. So usually more than enough information that will be resourceful is given to you as an affiliate marketer to prepare your own campaign. Now, on the sales page, in fact, most sales pages have the proof elements in one form or the other, or the testimonials, which talks about the results people got from the product, or the displayed results gotten by other people using the product. So, for you to use the proof or result-based angle, you need to ensure you use these elements on the JV page or the sales page. What are these elements? Proofs of people that have used the product or actual result proofs from beta testers. Okay, now let's go practical so I can show you a typical example of the things I've done in the past using the proof or result-based angle. Now you can see the title of this email I used is Paytrix is Live. The product I was promoting here is called Paytrix. Look inside and see how to earn $500 per day plus 7 new bonuses. Now, I'm using the proof or the result-based angle. Of course, it's allowed for me to specify an amount because I have got proof for this amount stated here on the subject. So let's go into the body of the email. Please keep an open mind and try to pay very close attention so you can understand how these various angles work. In the first paragraph, I said, "There's some good news in the air. The biggest revelation of all time in the IM space has been let out of the bag." If you noticed, I linked this text to the sales page. It's very important to put the sales page link within the upper part of your email so you don't have a low click rate. People who don't put their link at the upper part of the email always suffer low click-through rate. So right after that part, I started talking about the proof. That's why I said this is called the proof or the result-based angle. I said, let's call a spade a spade. The information that took a struggling newbie from 0 to $20,971,054 per month deserves an acknowledgement of merit. See the full proof here. Please pay attention. This second paragraph qualifies this angle as a proof or the result-based angle. I clearly stated the result achieved by a newbie, and right here I'm asking my subscribers, click here to see the full proof. People like to see things before they believe. Show me is better than tell me, most especially in the marketing world or the internet marketing world. So I stated it clearly here that the product I'm promoting made a struggling newbie $20,971,054 per month earnings. And I asked them to click here for the proof. Now, I do two things. Sometimes the proofs that are displayed on the sales page, I simply use TinyTake to capture a particular section of the page. So this is a proof displayed on the sales page. You can just use this to capture the section of the proof. When you capture it, you can click on Save Online. Then it generates a link you can use to access that image online. This is the link. So, in my email, I quickly link that URL to the text about the proof, or when I'm previewing the sales page, I can get the proof on the sales page, screenshot it using TinyTake. Then you can link the text in your email directly to the image or the sales page so they can see many other proofs. Now, I said, before I go on, let me quickly ask you a very simple question. Can you give what you have not? Big no. And if you try to, then it's going to be very empty. Once again, I'm going to be blunt about this. That has been the case of most guys out there who shun out courses that claim to teach newbies how to make money from affiliate marketing with no proof or result. On the contrary, here is a superstar called Jono, who was a newbie back in 2017 and now a high-earning affiliate marketer. In fact, he was publicly honored by the 𝐗𝐵 network as a top-performing affiliate in March 2018. Once again, these are proofs that the product I'm promoting works. If you're familiar with the 𝐗𝐵 network, which is one of the biggest affiliate marketing networks in the marketplace, they introduce a monthly shout-out to their best affiliates and best-performing sellers. So I went to their Facebook page and took a screenshot where the creator of this product I'm promoting was mentioned as one of the top-performing affiliates of that month. And what does that mean? It simply means this guy is qualified to teach affiliate marketing. He is personally getting good results from affiliate marketing. Right here, I linked to the Facebook post of 𝐗𝐵. So I said, fact. If you want to learn something, it's always best to learn from someone who is very good at it and follow the exact same steps that took the person from the ground to the top. Indeed, today is a big day because the information that will transform your life is right inside Paytrix. Jono started with affiliate marketing back in 2017, and like most people, he struggled a lot in the beginning. He was working in low-skilled jobs most of his life, and he kept looking for an escape. Until February of 2017, he made his first $18 with affiliate marketing and ultimately discovered a system that enabled him to crack the code to making consistent daily income like $500 to $2,500. Here are his earnings, and today he wants to liberate a few people who are currently struggling to make moolah with his system. So again, you can see me talking about proof again. Of course, I checked the sales page for this product, and there were so many proofs. So anywhere you mentioned proof, you can either link directly to the sales page, or you can link to the screenshots taken from the sales page, and I've shown you how you can do that using TinyTake. I said, no doubt affiliate marketing is the easiest way to earn a living online. So I believe you get the whole concept of using the proof or result angle now. Okay, I'm going to show you another example. So the title of this email is How to Make 3 Figs Per Day. Happily, no extra money is needed to start plus 23 new bonuses. In the first paragraph, I said, stop waiting to make money online and get paid starting today. Like I told you in the past example, under the proof and result-based angle, from the first paragraph, I linked it already to the sales page. People don't have too much time to waste online, so you have to be very smart about your promotional skills. Right from the first paragraph, I already have links to the sales page. So this is going to give you a high CTR, click-through rate, and of course, the vendor on his part must have done everything possible to ensure conversions are great. So the sales page has a role to play as much as I do my best to convert people with the content of my email. I said, hey there, what if I tell you there's a proven and verified system that is already making anyone from anywhere a consistent 3 figures per day? Would you like to know about it? Freedom Profit is the easiest shortcut to make life-changing online profits fast without ever risking a penny. Check out this is about my bonuses. Right here, I said, here is a quick proof for you to see the kind of profitable results people are getting with this. Here you can see I took a screenshot of the testimonials the vendor of this product posted and linked it inside my mail. So this is basically how the proof or result-based angle works. In your email, you have to link to the various proofs that the vendor has made available to show the results people are getting with the product you're promoting. So I said, you need this. Imagine making a risk-free six-figure income from anywhere in the world, okay? Once again, I said, see what profit freedom is all about here. Then I linked it to the sales page. Okay, let me show you another example of this angle. Now, this is a product called VidCurator FX. I went to the JV page, and on the JV page, the vendor stated clearly that the app got 99,000 views, 3,590 shares, and 375 leads using videos. So another thing to take note of, when you want to promote using the result or the proof angle, you can easily use the result the product creator said the product got as your subject line. Yes, it's very important. Why do people buy into products? They want to solve a particular problem using the product. They want a particular solution, and that is why they will invest in products out there. So it's very good of you to use the anticipated kind of result people want to get as a subject line. Still under the proof or the result-based angle, I simply wrote here, new app that got 99K views. Now, this is the interesting thing about the proof angle. When your subscribers click through to the sales page, they see corresponding values with the claims in your email. Now, please pay attention. When you're using the result or the proof-based angle, the most interesting basis of conversion, when people click through to the website, what they find should actually correspond with your email, and that quickly increases their confidence in the product. So you don't have to use fake numbers or fake claims. Simply check the JV page very well, and in most cases you'll find results gotten with the product displayed by the vendor. So let's quickly check out the body of this example. I said we got 99,595 views, 3,590 shares, and 375 subscribers using videos created by VidCurator FX, while our competitors are struggling to get next to no results from videos in their online marketing. Do you think such a mind-blowing result from videos would help you get more traffic, leads, and sales online? On complete autopilot? Now I'm asking them because that is exactly what they want. Every business needs traffic, needs leads, needs sales. I know for most people it's a yes, while others will still want to question the possibility of getting such incredible stats solely from videos. Well, we did it, and here is the proof. Once again, you see I linked them to a proof. This link can take them to the sales page, where these values are clearly stated as results gotten from the product. Or I simply took a screenshot of the exact proof on the sales page my email was based on. So you can see in the title that I claimed to have these views, and the proof is here. This proof now is an image on the sales page. In most cases, you can link directly to the sales page that has the proof on it, or you can link to an image like I did here. So I hope you understand this concept. Let me show you yet another example of the result-based angle. In this case, I'm promoting a product called 𝐿Grow. So I said, 𝐿Grow recorded 11,592 leads in 13 days verified. Here's my opinion. Now, the line, here's my opinion, creates a sense of curiosity because my subscribers would want to know what I think about the product. Hence, that's going to increase my open rate. Okay, so I said, "Hey fam, yesterday there was obviously no solid product I could recommend to you without any selfish interest. And as such, I decided to stay silent and not email you like a commission junkie." Smiles. You've got to understand that you don't talk to your subscribers face to face, so the mode of interaction is through your email. So what you tell them in your email is what they will take you for. This message reflects the fact that the previous day I didn't send them any offer, so I needed to smartly capitalize on that. I'll just tell them now that, hey, it wasn't like I won't have love to mail you an offer, but there was no good product for me to recommend to you. So I would rather not mail you a product that is not worth it than just mail any product because I want to earn commissions. This paragraph alone is going to earn me trust and increase the respect my subscribers have for me, because I'm simply positioning myself as someone who has their best interest at heart. Okay, let's jump into the purpose of this email. So I said, for today, there's a proven product called 𝐒𝐞𝐿, and in all sincerity, I have been using it for the past 3 days. I would have included images of the results I've gotten, but my best email format is plain text. However, I expect my subscribers to take my word for it. 𝐒𝐞𝐿 practically generated 11,592 leads in 13 days. Yes, in only 13 days, I personally did a video Skype call with the creator to verify that claim last week, Wednesday. So at this point, I was supposed to add a link to take them to the sales page or to show them an image of the proof. So this is how you can always use the proof and result-based angle to promote a product. Let's see another example on this angle. This time I said, new app got 46K views, 1,500 leads, and 6K profit from repurposed videos, plus 28 killer bonuses. From the first paragraph, again, you noticed I added a link directly to the sales page. So I said, woohoo! Almost everyone is getting an instant result with this unconventional video technology that surprisingly made 2 beta testers 6K from his automated 50K views and another 3K from automated 45K views. Proof inside. Now I linked this paragraph to the sales page, and right on the sales page you can find this proof. Let's see the sales page so you can understand what I'm talking about. So here's the sales page. You can see the vendor added this number to the heading. And when you scroll down, you'll find more proofs corresponding to what I wrote in my email. Trust me, figures convert a lot in marketing. People want to know, what can I do with this? What can I achieve with this? You see, I stated precisely 50K views, 6K in revenue, 3K in revenue from 45K views. So I had to link instantly to the sales page so they can go to the sales page and see the proofs themselves. Or you can as well link to an image in the sales page. I hope this is very clear. All of the examples I have shown you here are inside the swipe file, so you can go there and pick them up later on. Now let's jump into the next angle.